DELMIA Machining offers leading-edge technology that immerses NC programmers in a realistic virtual workplace that allows them to create, optimize, and validate machining programs for any kind of machines. From milling machines, wire EDM machines, mill turn centers, or even robots. Built on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, users can program and simulate the machining process to explore the best possible machine setup and optimal machining strategy for production. DELMIA Machining offers a wide range of operations and strategies that help programmers quickly create toolpath programs that minimize non-value-added motion. Users can implement high-speed machining features and dedicated hard material strategies, which reduce overall machining cycle time and provide optimal machine and cutting tool utilization. DELMIA Machining helps to mitigate production risk by producing NC programs in the manufacturing context, where the NC machine, cutter, tool assemblies, NC accessories, and other elements are present. DELMIA Machining takes into account the machine tool's kinematic definition, along with the machine setup and the in-process model of the machine part. This provides a better understanding of the machining cell and ensures that the toolpath and machining strategy avoid unexpected issues and production delays. DELMIA Machining promotes the automation and standardization of NC toolpath programs. Users can define and store all or part of a machining process and copy and paste them into other programs, or store them in catalogs for reuse. Company intellectual property is capitalized and reused to make programming more efficient. Significant gains in productivity and machining work standardization are achieved by utilizing this comprehensive solution.